Yeah, hi guys, I'm recording from my screen, but not with a screen recorder. I'm recording with my phone, and that's for a reason, and it's because at the moment I can't record from my microphone, which is the Rode NT Mini, and so I wanted to show you how I'm solving this issue. So these are actually two problems. The first problem is here in the Bandicam, which a lot of people are using for screen recording. You can see I have selected the Rode NT USB Mini. I have the volume on 100% and it's not doing anything. Even though the Rode NT Mini is fully connected, it has even an LED light, so I know it's on, but it's not doing anything. By the way, you cannot only see that in the recording setting of the Bandicam, of course, you can see that also in the system sound setting of a normal Windows system. So what's the reason? And there's also one thing which is highly related to that, and that's an error message which I had just recently, and this was when the crisp noise reduction software was saying this microphone is used in exclusive mode, please change select device. And this also happened, of course, to the Rode NT Mini. So what's the problem and how we can solve this issue? And by the way, this is not only related to the Rode NT Mini, especially this problem can also occur with other microphones. So what are the solutions? So first I'm going to show you a Rode specific solution, and then I'm going to show you a non-Rode specific solution which should work for all the microphones. So what we have here, the big problem here with the Rode NT is that we have to use this software, that's the Rode Connect, and unfortunately, as you can see, we have to assign, or at least I had the impression that we have to assign the microphone here in this virtual like studio almost here, and then sometimes the Rode Connect is assigning this microphone like exclusive. I don't know why. So how can we fix that? So in the Rode Connect we can click here in the preferences, go to channel assignment, and here we have the Rode NT USB Mini, and we can just remove it from here. So I click here and then it's down here again. I click on finish, and now you can see in a sudden the microphone is active here again. That's absolutely weird, because what I could do here is go again to the channel assignment, drag and drop this microphone here to the top, click on finish. You can see the microphone is still working and everything is here again. I don't know if this is a bug. For me, it somehow looks like a bug, because we have everything back here. We can use the NT Mini, we can even use the DSP, everything, all the functions, and it's still active. It just looks like the Rode NT software is claiming this microphone in an exclusive way, and then it's preventing from recording with another software. And so that was the Rode specific solution. By the way, you cannot only see that in the recording setting of the Bandicam, of course, you can see that also in the system sound setting of a normal Windows system, Windows 10, Windows 11 or whatsoever. When you go down to input, you have the microphone selected, and then you can see if it's recording or not. You can see it's doing exactly the same thing here, and so that was also not recording before. How I solved the same issue a couple of days ago in a non-Rode specific way, that was just to unplug and replug the microphone. If you have a USB hub or so, you can just click. If you have like a clickable USB hub, or when you don't have a button, you unplug it and plug it in again a couple of seconds later. And of course, because it's unplugged, the Windows will then remove it from the exclusive mode and put it back in a normal mode, and then it's working again. At least that was the case on my system, and I'm really expecting that it will work for all the microphones. So it's good to know now how we can get rid of this situation, but it's even better to know how we can prevent that. And so the easiest way is to hit the Windows key and type system, and then in the apps we see this control panel. We go to hardware and sound, click on sound, and in the sound setting we have to go to recording. We go down to the microphone in question, we right click on properties, and in the advanced settings we have this exclusive mode saying allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. So that's definitely something which we want to uncheck to prevent this situation or this problem in the future. We click on OK or apply, and that's it. And so it shouldn't happen anymore in the future. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.